morning and hello, my name is Rennie from RENNIE'S Cocoa and Coffee Products. We are based in Rio Claro and we do a range of products. Probably we can have a look at the products that we produce. This is a cocoa wine made from cocoa, of course. It's a nice, smooth tasting wine. It's an evening wine, really. You can serve it best served chilled. We also do coffee. It's a Robusta. It comes straight from the estate. We harvest, process, and package. We also do a range of curries as well. It's our blend. We also do cocoa powder coming from our estate as well. Cocoa drinking chocolate. This is just to grate and boil, and you add your milk and sugar to taste. We also do cocoa nibs. As you all always appreciate, nibs is you can use it as a topping for your ice creams, yogurts, in your smoothies, cereals, and so it's a health food really.
This is our SEAMOSS gel, Go Power SEAMOSS gel. This has all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs. There's 92 vitamins and minerals in here. We have some added stuff in here for you as well, like the lemongrass, the blue vervine, the spices, bay leaf, clove, nutmegs. You know, it's a great product. Very, very healthy for your body to keep the immune system at the highest peak. You know that we're in a COVID-19 pandemic now, so you want to be able to keep your body and immune system up at all times. One of the greatest, best ways to do it is by taking the SEAMOSS, Go Power SEAMOSS gel. Can't go wrong. The health benefits in Go Power SEAMOSS gel. Number one, it will boost the immune system. Number two, it increases energy. It's very rich in iron, and we also added some iron in there for you too. Your body needs iron. It's one of the most important mineral that your body needs is iron. And plant-based iron, not just iron. Do some research and you realize there's two types of iron. One that is the metal, and the other one is plant-based. The metal one is the one that binds you if you take too much. Plant-based iron do not bind you ever. It's one of the best products on the planet right now, and it's locally grown right here in Trinidad and Tobago. You should be getting the benefits from your local product.
What we have is a line of chutneys and anchors made with different fruits and vegetables. So you know we are accustomed to the mango, the tamarind, but in our company we use things like baigan, we use things like sorrel and pawpaw, pineapple and passion fruit, pumpkin and pineapple. So if you can look down here, you see that we have the different things, and we also have the normal mango tamarind. We have also a natural line which we do things like avocado garlic sauce, sorrel vinaigrette, and then on this side we have our seasoned flurry. So that's seasoned with dashing bush pimento, and then you get to also try our nice delicious exotic wine with it, and tamarind and mango sauce.
This is the Dylan's establishment, okay? And that we grow our own produce. We do chickens, and we do a number of agricultural crops. We ready chickens on what we call an organic basis, in that we do not feed the chicken any steroids, any antibiotics, any growth hormones. All the stuff they are fed are basically natural things. We do feed them some feed from one of the mills. Other than that, they do not get any drugs. They don't do drugs. The agricultural products are grown on a separate place as from the farm. On that agricultural setting, we grow pawpaw, plantain, soursop, broccoli, cabbage, edos, a variety of agricultural produce. And we're here to show the country that we too could add to the food basket. Tell them.
Well, we have 4 different types of powders. We have spirulina, we have ashwagandha, we have beetroot, and we have acacia. Each one have a different and separate health benefits to the buyer, right? So it's basically based on your preference, what you like,
What you might be dealing with.
right? So, and that basically it. I can't go into all the health benefits, but we have flyers, like you can hand to persons and they can choose.
And research it too.
Right, and research, yes.
So hi, welcome to SHER Catering, Exotic Love Bites Gourmet Fudge. We do a range of different flavor fudges made from real ingredients. So this morning for offering we have coffee, we have almond, cranberry almond, we have ginger, we have cherry vanilla, we have cherry coconut, concha creme, passion fruit. I've been doing fudge since I'm 12, but I've been doing it since 2016 commercial. Because it's my passion, so when I make it, this is actually me putting my art into that.
Okay, hi. So we are Bon Vivre, and what Bon Vivre means is someone who enjoys good food and drink. So we are all about celebrating. Eat, drink, celebrate, because every celebration needs good things to eat and good things to drink. So because of that, we actually have both beverages, and our beverages we have ready-to-drink margaritas. So we have a passion fruit margarita, a sorrel margarita, and we have a really nice smoky jalapeno margarita for those who want a little kick, because it has a little burn from the jalapeno.
How about kick? Serious kick.
And then in terms of the snacks, we have our trail mix, all right? We have a cranberry orange biscotti, and then we have our range of condiments. Now the condiments we have include a sorrel sweet relish, a pineapple relish, a green tomato relish. We have an olive tapenade, great on crostinis, on crackers, it's wonderful. A pumpkin orange jam, which is a favorite. The only way I get my husband to eat pumpkin is with this jam. And then we have our pepper sauce. So it's a full line, and we always come up with new products. So check it out, follow us on Instagram, and you'll see whenever we post new things.
Hi, welcome to Island Salads, and I am toting mason jar salads for $40. And if you bring back your jar, for us country to be more low waste sustainable, you get $10 off. Right, we also have it. Right. I also have fermented foods and pickles, tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and beets. Also have cayenne peppers. Really, I was looking for a way for food to last longer, right? Because we are told now to eat more vegetables. So when I researched it, I realized that you could do simple pickling and simple fermentation. And there is a difference between fermentation and pickling. Come to Island Salads, follow me on Instagram at Island Salads TT. So.
This is the Rustic collection. It's really a vision that started many years ago. When I was a young fella, I used to think maybe I could do craft in the back of my yard. And I used to call it backyard creations. But now it's really a more mature expression of what we call Caribbean inspired decor. Where as a photographer for over 20-something years, I've toured the whole region and a lot of Trinidad and Tobago and really capture the essence of what really showcases our beauty, showcases our uniqueness. So this is really just a brief reflection of just some of my moments in capturing images of Trinidad and Tobago over the years. Loving to support, just really support for TNT all the way. Just have a look and see, you know, if you can recognize any of the locations, if you can recognize any of the places that you've actually been. And there are a lot of hidden gems in Trinidad and Tobago just awaiting your exploration and just to be discovered.
Lazy Days is a line of laser cut jewelry and accessories, bamboo and leather. LICKALAMP upcycle bottle lamps, so I take bottles that would otherwise have been discarded and I turn them into lamps. I also make pipe lamps, and I have some wind chimes in addition. As industrial home decor made out of galvanized pipe. I originally started doing a line of steel pan themed jewelry, and I started off making the lamps when I saw a picture of a chandelier online made out of whiskey bottles, and that kind of inspired me to start looking at doing the lamps.
Hi, welcome to AFROCESSORIES. My name is Marsha, and allow me just to show you our products. So the first thing we have here are our signature pieces, which is called the Afro bonnet. They come satin lined, and they feature our signature knot. Everything on the table, by the way, is handmade by me and my family. We also have a second design called the Lola turban. They are made with a more conservative knot and flat colors. A stretch material, so one size fits all. We also have another design called the Empress, which is like this, but with no knot. So it doesn't have any knots and it has no satin, and it's easy to fit, one size fits all as well. This stretches vertically as well as horizontally. Then we have our beanies. We have two types of beanies. We have our Indo beanie, which is the beanie with the ruche front and a band. And we have the Afro beanie, which is the regular plain beanie with a straight hem. And other than that, we have our headbands, which we call our Afro bands, which can be worn 3 ways. And then we also have our Afro bandos, which is our signature knot with an elasticated band. We also sell sleeping bonnets and scrunchies. And that's it.
I am VEES. This is VEES Exotic Mixed Nuts. We have a blend of nuts. We have all come with pumpkin seeds, sunflower seed, cranberry, raisins, and you can also customize your own mix. You can contact me at 498-9183, and I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. It's a healthy alternative for snacking. It has pink Himalaya salt, it's big, and have no added preservative or additives in it. A healthy alternative. You can also have it in your smoothies, in your salads, and even as a snack. Great alternative.